Hey everyone, I'm beyond excited to share this incredible product with you today. Let's jump right in. First off, it looks amazing. The sleek design and premium finish make it a total eye-catcher. And the price? Honestly, I was expecting it to be way more expensive for what it offers. Such a steal. It's also super practical. Whether you need it for daily use, work, or as a thoughtful gift, this one delivers. Check out the description for all the details, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. See you next time.